celebrated on January 6th. Is the day the three kings arrived and gave the gift of gold, frankincense, and myrrh for the baby Jesus.
Born a king on Bethlehem's plain, gold I bring to crown him again.
It's celebrated around the world, but it's a huge deal in Latin America. Kids get gifts that day. My friend never celebrated the holiday, so they took me to an event. We got dressed up, we ate food, we played games. Then the three kings paraded through the event center, and then the kids lined up to get gifts. One of the booths served at the event was king cake. The bread is baked in an oval shape to symbolize a crown. They put dry candy on king cake to look like a jewels on the ground. Inside the cake, there's a little plastic baby. It's supposed to be the baby Jesus.
In our version.
I put two babies in our version. Let's do one white and one black. I know where they are, so I think I'm going to be making the king cake next year. Put the butter in the milk and let it melt. We have to put yeast in hot water to dissolve.
Now you put your hot water in.
Let's give it some sugar.
Yeast loves sugar.
It smells weird. It smells like your breath is yucky. Da 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 da.
What are we gonna do next, Kinley?
We're going to get flour and mix it with the blender. No, not with the blender. What is this called again? Mixer. So my mom's getting the flour.
Okay.
Wait.
1 cup at a time.
Okay, so I'm
Now
gonna
make
put
it
this
really
in.
slow, otherwise you're gonna make a mess. Counter.
Now we're gonna turn out the dough onto the flour. Now we just have to give the dough a massage. After all this dough is needed, I'm gonna save some for my lucky dough pile. I call it my lucky dough. While the dough is rising, we're gonna make the filling. All the dry ingredients go in first. We put brown sugar in and cinnamon. Now we put in what? Flour. And then the finally, but not least, is the butter. We're gonna stir until crumbly.
We'll be back.
We'll be back in a couple hours.
On top of the flour. Whoa.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna cut this with my magic. That was cool. Roll them out. 1, 2, 3. It's so flat. Okay, so now we're gonna sprinkle it like. So now we're rolling this up. Comment down below if you want us to do a slower video of this so you can do it together.
So it looks like a twisty thing. Okay. Get the tray. And this is going to be half of the circle.
Oh, now I know what we're doing. Okay.
We're going to make a round.
Like a rainbow. That looks like a rainbow.
Okay, you do the other rainbow.
Pinch. Now we're gonna put slits. Now we're gonna put this in for 30 minutes. Here's the first baby.
Okay. Let's put it in there. Tuck it in there.
It's hot, right?
Yeah, the bread is hot, but I'm holding it, so I'm touching it. Let's tuck this baby in. Oh, it's nice and cozy in there.
It's hot.
Okay.
Now we're gonna put in the confection sugar. Now we're gonna add water to the confection sugar to make it frothy. This is Rosca de Reyes.